let's have the Influencer of the Year Award for Viral Humor, Content, and Lifestyle. Everyone, let's welcome Queen Yasmin! Known for her witty humor and relatable lifestyle content, Queen Yasmin has captured the hearts of many with her viral videos that bring laughter and joy to everyday moments. Her authentic and vibrant personality shines through every post, making her a standout influencer who connects deeply with her audience. From hilarious skits to genuine life stories, Queen Yasmin continues to inspire and entertain, proving that humor and lifestyle go hand in hand in creating a meaningful digital content. Congratulations! May we request? Once again, congratulations. Let's have a picture taking, please. Thank you so much. And of course, we will never miss the opportunity hearing your speech. If you want to do it like you're doing, just the usual thing that you do, you can do it. Let's go.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Una sa lahat, nais ko pong magpasalamat sa Mabuhay PH at kay Direk Sir Jag. And una sa lahat, nais kong magpasalamat sa award-giving body na ito sa pagkilala sa akin bilang Influencer of the Year para sa viral humor, content at lifestyle. Napakalaking karangalan po para sa akin na ma-inspire at napasaya ang maraming tao sa pamamagitan ng aking content. Ang journey na ito ay hindi madali. Nagsimula sa pinakababa para makuha ang mataas na marka sa bawat isa sa atin. Kahit may iba nang sasabi ng mga negative way, and just continue what I'm doing. Ang mahalaga, wala kang tinatapakang tao at malinis ang intensyon mo. Hanggat mo lang magpasaya sa social media para hindi kayo malungkot, dala-dala, dahil lang gusto lang natin good vibes, good vibes. Pero bawat like, share, comment nyo mula sa aking mga followers, nagbibigay aliw and I just continue. Lahat ng ito ay patuloy na tawa at positivity ay may puwersa na nag-uugnay sa akin kahit sa gitna ng hirap. Go lang ng go. Gusto ko rin pong maglaan ng sandali para sa taong pinakamahalaga sa akin, especially my mom in the heaven. Because of her, I'm very strength to doing everything, bearing strong, and siya nagbibigay kalakasan sa akin para ipagpatuloy, para mas pagbutihin ko pa po and mas lalo ko pa pong pagpursigihin and mas lalo ko pang galingan araw-araw. And I know you make it proud in the heaven and every achievement, every successful in my hub po sa aking mga kamag-anak and of course sa lahat ng mga audience ngayon and sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin and my Papa God. And salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta po sa akin. And hindi niyo po ako iniwan po sa ere until now. And lalong-lalo na po sa mga supporters. And hanggang ngayon, sinamahan niyo po ako sa journey. At higit sa lahat, sa poong may kapal na siya ang gawa ng lahat. Nang dahil sa kanya, wala po ko dito sa kinatatayuan ko po ngayon. Ang pagkakataong ito, hindi ko makakamtan kung wala ang gabay niya at biyaya sa aking buhay. And sa lahat po ng mga ito, salamat sa mga nagtitiwala, pagmamahal at patuloy na pagtangkilik sa akin. Until now, I can't believe it. More than a year start pandemic days. Ngayon lang po ako nakatungtong po dito sa entablado po na to na nakahawak po ng award po. Hindi pa rin po ako makapaniwala na parang panaginip lang po ang lahat. Ngayon, malapit na pero malayo pa. Meron pang kasunod na darating na unos at biyaya. Kahit sa maliit o malaking bagay man po, I really appreciate it and I'm very so thankful for that. Kahit ano man mangyari, huwag kang makakalimot kung saan ka nagsimula at nanggaling. And be humble always. Kailangan marunong kang tumingin kung saan ka nang galing. At syempre, maraming salamat po sa mga bumubuo dito. And ramdam ko po yung support nyo po sa akin. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nagmamahal, Queen Yasmin. Hanggang dito na lang, hanggang sa dulo ng aking hininga. And I, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you po.
Dahil natutuwa yung Tres Chick Luxury sa'yo, meron kaming pabango para sa'yo. Courtesy of Miss Jen Boles.
Thank you so much. Picture taking daw ulit kasi may gift. May kapalit daw na headband yan. Thank you so much and congratulations. There you go. Moving forward is the Influencer of the Year Award for TV Morning Show, Hosting, and Showbiz Reporting. Everyone, let's welcome here on stage, Fifi De Los Santos. Fifi De Los Santos continues to brighten mornings as the engaging host and trusted showbiz reporter on Rise and Shine Pilipinas on PTV. With her lively presence and deep passion for entertainment news, she keeps viewers informed and entertained, making every broadcast both fun and insightful. Fifi's professionalism and genuine connection with her audience have made her a standout figure in morning TV and entertainment journalism. Once again, Influencer of the Year Award for TV Morning Show Hosting and Showbiz Reporting, Fifi De Los Santos. Sa center daw po, ma'am. Sir.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Para po sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, ako po si Fifi mula po sa People's Television Network. Mapapanood niyo po ako tuwing umaga, alas 6 hanggang alas 8 sa morning show ng PTV Rise and Shine Pilipinas kasama sina Diane Querer, Audrey Goriseta, Joshua Garcia, Ice Martinez, Leslie Ordinario at Diane Medina. Nagsimula po ako sa industriya 10 years ago bilang isang intern at production assistant. Nagdaan po sa iba't ibang proseso at bahagi ng produksyon sa pag-iisang writer at producer, naging reporter at ngayon po ay isang news anchor at television host. Alay ko po yung lahat ng mga posisyon na ito, lahat ng sakripisyo na ginawa ng aking mga kasama sa aking mga kasama at sa aking pamilya. At higit sa lahat, syempre, sa mga taong patuloy nagtitiwala sa akin. Lalo na po yung dalawang fans na laging nag-IG story sa akin, si Joe Marasigan at si Tristan Constantino. Kasama po sila sa award na ito. Tigit sa lahat, mula po sa aking mga natutuhan sa aking produksyon, patuloy ko po itong binibigay sa aking mga estudyante na alay ko po rin sa kanila mula po sa Bulacan State University sa Pamantasan Lungsod ng Valenzuela at si Macri Conception sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Maraming salamat po sa award-giving body na ito, Sir Adrian, Direct Jag, sa lahat po natin mga kasama nito, Mabuhay PH. Thank you so much for this recognition. Patuloy po ako magbibigay ng impormasyong kapaki-pakinabang sa ating kultura at lalo syempre pambusog para mula sa iba't ibang mabibigat na issues sa araw-araw ay may mga light stories po tayo may bibigay sa kanila at saya tuwing umaga na magpapakompleto sa kanilang araw. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang telebisyon ng bayan.
Thank you so much and once again, congratulations. Moving forward is the Influencer of the Year Award for Entertainment and as an Actor. We've got Mr. Kid Yambao. From his dynamic performances as a proud member of the Hashtags dance group to his growing presence on TV and social media, Kid Yambao continues to shine across multiple platforms. Known for his versatility, charisma, and dedication, he connects with fans both on and off the screen. Kid's passion for entertaining and authentic engagement online make him a true influencer in today's digital and entertainment landscape. Keep inspiring, Kid. Sir?
Ayun, hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi. Hello, hello. Hindi ko nahuhabaan. Ayun, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Mabuhay PH, Sir Stephen, Madam Jen, at saka sa buong team, sa director, sa mga cameraman. Thank you, thank you. At syempre, sa inyong mga pumunta, maraming salamat. Palakpakan nyo naman yung sarili nyo, pare. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Next up is actually one of my idols. The Influencer of the Year Award for contribution to lifestyle and creative humor. We've got Mr. Neil Padilla. Neil Padilla has won the hearts of millions through his authentic storytelling, relatable lifestyle content, and unique sense of humor. With over 1.3 million subscribers on YouTube and a growing digital presence, he connects deeply with his audience by turning everyday moments into entertaining and meaningful stories. Neil continues to inspire and engage fans with content that brings both laughter and reflection. Picture taking, eyes to the camera. We have to move a little sideward now. Let's go. Now, Neil?
Ayan, salamat. Salamat Mabuhay PH. Mabuhay po tayong lahat na nandito ngayon. Thank you Lord for this award. Thank you Mabuhay PH. And thank you for all my supporters throughout my 8 years of being a content creator. Hindi niyo po ako iniwan. Nandyan pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon. Kayo po ang dahilan kung bakit patuloy po akong gumagawa ng mga content na kabuluhan, nakakatawa, at talaga namang galing sa puso kahit po ay minsan funny and comedy lang. Habaan ko pa ba nasabi na lahat ni Queen? Queen Yasmin, I'm such a fan. Thank you. And maraming salamat po for supporting and thank you for this award. This award is not only a validation but also a motivation for me to do more contents that will not only spark conversation but also to spark change. Thank you. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. You know what, guys? Kinikilig ako. Iba talaga yung feeling pala when you're standing beside the person that you used to watch online. Sir Neil, thank you so much for the inspiration. Nakarelate ako kasi nag-o-omegle ako. Next up will be the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Outstanding Contribution to Global Children's Fashion. Everyone, let's welcome Manila Runway Republic. For years, Manila Runway Republic has been a trailblazer in showcasing the best of children's fashion, bringing together creativity, style, and cultural pride on a global stage. Their dedication to elevating young talents and setting trends has inspired countless designers, models, and fashion enthusiasts around the world. From runway shows to innovative campaigns, Manila Runway Republic continues to shape the future of children's fashion with passion and excellence. There you go. Once again, Manila Runway Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Outstanding Contribution to Global Children's Fashion.
First of all po, on behalf of Miss Cathy Mangahas po, we would like to thank our Almighty God and Mabuhay PH and Direct Jug po and our MRR family po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. All right, to our presenters, please stay there because we will proceed to our Hall of Fame awardees. Moving forward, let's have the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Music and Digital Entertainment, number 29, Nelvic Poblete. Nelvic Poblete continues to shine as one of today's most influential rising artists, an exceptional singer and songwriter whose soulful voice and heartfelt storytelling have captivated audiences across TikTok and beyond for more than 5 years, representing two powerhouse labels, Old School Records and Star Music, and powered by Sir Hep Talents. He has proven that true artistry thrives when passion, purpose, and authenticity come together. Every live stream becomes a stage, every song a memorable experience, and every connection with his audience a reminder of his genuine impact in the digital and music world. Everyone, let's all give him a round of applause, please. Ayun. Hindi namin masyado makita dito ang cameraman. Baka yung kamay lang. Sir, any message? Any speech?
Ayan, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Siyempre, una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord and to my family, friends. Thank you for your love and support. Kayo ang number one inspiration ko sa lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon. And sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta po sa akin, sa music ko, at naniniwala po sa akin since day one. This award is not just for me, para sa inyo po itong lahat. And of course, thank you sa Mabuhay PH po for recognizing my work in music and digital entertainment po. Mas pagbubutihin ko pa po and I'll continue my craft. And congratulations po sa lahat. Mabuhay po ang lahat. God bless po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Next up, we've got the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Multimedia Performer, and that is Lee Oliveros. From starting his journey as a banker to becoming a standout variety live streamer, Lee has proven that passion and perseverance can open new doors. Recognized as the trending male creator in 2024 on one of the country's largest live stream platforms, he continues to captivate audiences with his energy and authenticity. Once again, our Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Multimedia Performer, Mr. Lee Oliveros. Congratulations. Now let's do the picture taking, please. Now, sir.
On behalf of Mr. Lee Oliveros, I would like to thank all the organizers, Mabuhay PH and Sir Hep Talents.
Thank you so much. Moving forward is the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Job Fair Organizer. And that is Magnus Job Fair. For years, Magnus Job Fair has been a trusted bridge between job seekers and employers, creating opportunities and transforming lives through well-organized, impactful job fairs. Their dedication to connecting talents with the right careers has made a lasting mark on the community and inspired many to pursue their dreams with confidence. Once again, our Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Job Fair Organizer, Magnus Job Fair. Let's do the picture taking. Okay na daw. Ma'am? Speech po.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa Mabuhay PH, especially to Direk Jag.
Matagal na po nagbibigay ng trabaho ang Magnus Eventos Inc. since 2010 pa. So, ang layunin po namin ay makapagbigay ng trabaho sa bawat Pilipino dahil alam naman natin kung ang magpapaunlad sa sarili natin ay tayo lang. Hindi po ang mga politiko, hindi po ang ibang tao, kung hindi tayo po ang magpupursige kung tayo may trabaho. So, congratulations din po sa lahat ng mga winners.
Thank you so much. One of the most deserving awardees that we've got here tonight. Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Live Stream Entertainment. we've got Clean, ay siya, DG. Digi. Ayan. Clint Digi. I ask, diba? Because I don't want to mispronounce your DG. Ayan. Everyone, again, our Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Live Stream Entertainment, Clint DG. Proudly honoring a talent whose dedication, passion, and artistry have illuminated our community for more than 5 remarkable years. Clint has poured his heart into live streaming, starting on Kuma and now captivating audiences on TikTok, sharing not just performances but moments that unite people through music. Let's do the picture taking. Sir?
Unang sa lahat, maraming salamat po, Mabuhay PH, sa award na ito. And I'm truly grateful to be part of this influencers watch list. Hindi ko ito mararating without the help of my supporters, my team, and to everyone who believes in what I do. So maraming salamat po, and thank you.
Clint DJ, everybody. Congratulations and thank you so much. Next up will be the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Digital Entertainment, and that is James Abelio. James Abelio has made a remarkable impact as an actor, commercial and ramp model, endorser, and social media influencer. For over 5 years, he has captivated audiences with his authentic personality, consistent engagement, and inspiring presence. Under ABS-CBN's Cornerstone Management, James continues to grow and inspire, proving that passion and dedication surely lead to success in the world of digital entertainment.
Hello. Of course, first of all, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat sa Mabuhay PH sa recognition na ito. Of course, sa lahat ng taong na sumusuporta sa akin at sa kay Sir Hep, maraming salamat din. Sa Cornerstone family, maraming salamat din. And of course, kay Lord, maraming salamat sa lahat ng gabay sa mga challenges namin sa buhay. At of course, keep on grinding and praying sa lahat ng dito at wag susuko sa pangarap. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up, we've got the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Literary Impact and Musical Adaptation. We've got Mudifa by Margarita Marquez. This powerful story of Filipinas working abroad, now launched as a musical, highlights strength, resilience, and hope. Mudifa continues to inspire and celebrate Filipino courage on a growing stage. Once again, Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Literary Impact and Musical Adaptation, Mudifa by Margarita Marquez. Congratulations. All right, let's do the picture taking.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Net. I'm the line producer of Mudifa the musical and soon Mudifa the movie. I'd like to thank Direct Jag for giving me the opportunity. We've been looking for the right director for more than 10 years, and finally, I was able to link the producer, Margarita Marquez, to Direct Jag. And now, it's row, go, 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 go. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up will be the Influencer Hall of Fame Award for Live Streaming Performer, and that is given to Mr. Raul Mendez. Raul Mendez began his journey in entertainment through live streaming, where his soulful singing quickly captured the hearts of many. Known for his heartfelt performances online, he has built a strong connection with his audience, showcasing his talent and passion through every stream. His dedication, authenticity, and ability to engage viewers have made him a standout figure in the live streaming community. Raul's inspiring journey continues to line up both the digital stage and the hearts of his fans. Ryle?
Grabe, akala ko mamaya pa ako. So, good evening everyone. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa Diyos. Bawat pagkakataon na biyaya, nagdala sa akin dito sa harapan ninyo guys. Ang maging part ng Influencer Hall of Fame Digital Entertainment ay isang napakalaking opportunity para sa akin. Direk Jag, I love you. My manager. Sir Hep, salamat. Everyone. Sa mga naniniwala pa rin sa akin, sa musika ko, maraming salamat po. Thank you. God bless us all.
Now everyone, let's welcome our awardee, Mr. Ryle Mendez, to give us a beautiful song number. Let's all give him a round of applause, please.
Again, thank you so much. Ayan. Good evening everyone again. My name is Ryle Mendez. Kakantahan ko kayo ngayong gabi ng aking latest single. Ang title is You Are The One. Ang nagsulat nito ay si Direk Jag. Ayan. So sana magustuhan ninyo.
When you smile, my heart races like a storm. You are the melody that lingers in my soul. Every night, thoughts of you dance in my mind. With you by my side, I find my only true home. Puso ay nagtitiwala, ikaw ang tadhana. A dream of fate bringing us closer, you and I. Sana ikaw na nga sa gabi-gabi at araw-araw, sa init at lamig ng bawat lapit dalawang buwan. With every breath I take, my heart always goes to you, only you. You are the one. Challenges may come, kahit pa imposible, basta't ikaw lalaban ako ng buong sarili. In every trial, I'll stand and see it true. Kahit anong harang, I will fight for you. Puso ay nagtitiwala, ikaw ang tadhana. A dream of fate bringing us closer, you and I. Sana ikaw na nga sa gabi-gabi at araw-araw, sa init at lamig ng bawat labing dalawang buwan. With every breath I take, my heart always goes to you, only you. You are the one. The one. Love waits through every quiet storm and silent tears. It holds you close when doubts and distance feel too near. It speaks with care, not pride or hurtful fire, and stays true seasons, never losing its desire. You are the meaning of what love should truly be, because you are the one, the only one for me. Sana ikaw na nga sa gabi-gabi at araw-araw, sa init at lamig ng bawat labing dalawang buwan. With every breath I take, my heart always goes to you, only you. You are the one. Sa gabi-gabi at araw-araw, sa init at lamig bawat laping dalawang buwan. With every breath I take, my heart always goes to you, only you. You are the one, only you. You are the one. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, Ral. That was indeed an amazing performance. Now, at this point of time, we will continue giving awards to our awardees. At this point of time, we request Mr. Christopher Diwata to join me here on stage. One of my idols din, di ba? What happened, Bella? All right. As we continue, let's have the Influencer of the Year Award for Digital Influence and Women Empowerment. We've got DJ Ayel. DJ Ayel makes a strong impact online with authentic storytelling and advocacy. With 1.1 million followers, she's a leading lifestyle creator inspiring women and communities. Her work in hosting, vlogging, PR, and community empowerment shows her dedication to positive change. And I'm a fan. Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Congratulations. Picture taking po muna tayo. All right.
Hello, good evening once again, and thank you once again. And thank you, Mabuhay PH, for honoring women like me who keeps on pushing boundaries, of course, breaking stereotypes and shining in our own lanes. And of course, tonight, thank you because I have been seen, heard, and of course, syempre, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng aking mga tito at tita followers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I felt how it impacted you, ma'am. Thank you so, so much. Next up will be the Influencer of the Year Award for Pop Music and Live Performance. And that is Yuan Puerte. Known for his dynamic vocal range and heartfelt songs like Dalao, Ala Ala, and Now Tundo, Yuan Fuerte has captured the hearts of many with his unique style and versatility. Rising from his daily wins on Tawag ng Tanghalan ng Kampiyon, he has proven that talent combined with passion creates a powerful impact. As both a recording artist and live performer, Yuan continues to shine on stage, delivering captivating performances that resonate deeply with audiences. His music and presence mark him as a rising star with more exciting milestones ahead. Let's have a picture taking. Once again, Influencer of the Year Award for pop music and live performance, Yuan Puerte.
Yon, syempre first of all, thank you sa Mabuhay PH Digital Network, especially kay Direk Jag and Mami Miles. And sa bumubuo ng Jammers League, salamat sa suporta. And syempre sa family ko na nanonood ngayon dyan sa likod. Thank you so much kay Boss A, kay Mami Lani, Tito RB, Ate Wendy. Syempre, salamat sa suporta. And ayun, patuloy lang natin gagawin yung tama para sa pangarap natin. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Yuan. You forgot that I'm the host here. And not Sir Christopher. Next up, Influencer of the Year Award for live streaming and acting. Everyone, we have Gab Rosales. Gab has captivated audiences with his engaging live streams and impressive acting skills. His dedication and unique presence make him a true standout in the entertainment world. From streaming sessions to on-screen performances, Gab continues to inspire and entertain with passion and talent. Gab?
And again, good evening everyone. I would like to syempre thank you Direk Jag, Mabuhay. Ayan, Mabuhay PH, and syempre this award goes to everyone na nagla-live stream at so everyone pinapractice at nasanay na rin nakausapin ng camera. Napakahirap nun. And yeah, I really appreciate this award. Thank you so much, Mabuhay PH, Direk Jag. And yeah, mabuhay lahat ng live streamers. na tinataguyod din yung kanilang family. Ayun. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Gab Rosales. Next up, Standout Influencer Award for Singer and Live Performer. We've got Marky. Known for his scenic voice, Marky has performed many times at Viva Cafe and continues to inspire with his own original music and unique covers. His passion and talent make him a true standout in the music scene. Everyone, Marky. Marky? A picture taking pala muna, sir. Let's go.
Hello? Hello? Yes. Hindi po ako magaling magsalita kaya gumawa ko ng speech. So I'll take this time to thank the people who are behind this confidence. Minsan lang po ito. First ko pa mag-award. So I would like to thank first of all God for the talent. Hindi ko inakala magkakaroon ako ng amazing voice. Ngayon ko lang din na-realize. And talent sa pagsusulat. And to my friends and supporters who keeps believing in what I can give in the entertainment industry, you guys are my source of courage and confidence. And as long as there are people who keeps believing in my skills in music and acting, I'll continue this journey and will never stop until my star turns to shine. To Direct Jag, who never gets tired of believing in me and motivating me to show the people what my voice is capable of. Thank you so much and I love you. To Mabuhay PH, thank you so much for this award. I dedicate this to God, to my friends, to my few supporters, and to the special person in my life today, and most importantly to myself for all the hard work. Ilang beses na po akong muntik sumuko, but you guys are the reason why I'm still here. So please don't ever stop believing in me because I promise to give you more of me and I'm willing to grow more. So you can follow me po on my social media accounts, Marky with a CKY for short. And may upcoming single po pala ako under Mabuhay PH written by Direct Jag called Hanggang Ngayon. Soon po i-release. And sana i-manage mo na ako, Direct. Yun lang po. Thank you so much for this award.
Ayon. And of course, your award is dedicated to your contact lens
Everyone.
provider.
Thank you to Garnier.
and your,
Baka naman.
and your contact
And
lens
my contact
sponsor.
lens. Yes. Thank you.
Nagpaparinig Direct Jag, i-manage mo na daw. Thank you so much,
Thank you po.
Marky.
Thank you po.
Next up is the Influencer of the Year Award for Versatile Pop Live Performer and Recording Artist. Everyone, let's have Purge. Known for songs like My Label Ba and Apoy at Alon, Ferds captivates audiences with his heartfelt pop music and dynamic live performances. His versatility as both a recording artist and performer continues to inspire fans and pave the way for more hits to come. Picture taking? Ferds?
Grabe So, yun. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. Wow, event ko. So, yun. I just wanna thank Direct Jag. Siyempre, siya po naging ruta lahat, naging ugat lahat ng mga achievements namin ngayon. Actually, this is my second time receiving this kind of award. And nakakatuwa lang kasi ang dami naming kasabayan ng mga talagang sikat na artist. And kami, especially ako as baguan pa lang, no, na nagsisimula pa lang sa larangan ng industriya, sobrang laking pasalamat ko dahil without Direct Jag, yung mga taong sumusuporta sa akin simula pa lang nung una, hindi ko ito matatanggap. Kaya yung pangalan ng influencers watchlist, sobrang nakakatuwa lang. So yun, lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko, and not just for myself, but also for everyone else na artist din, is habang galing din kay Maki na kahit ilan lang nakikinig sa inyo, hanggat may naniniwala, huwag kayong titigil, hanggat may pag-asa at may pangarap. Yun po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ferds. Next up, we've got here the Influencer of the Year Award for Heartfelt and Soulful Songs. We've got Jake Lawrence. Jake Lawrence continues to touch listeners with music that speaks straight to the heart, with emotionally powerful tracks like Ngiti sa Aking Luha and Pagdating sa Dulo. He has become one of today's most admired storytellers in OPM, an artist who turns real feelings into an unforgettable melodies. His warm, soulful vocals and sincere songwriting resonates deeply with fans, proving that true artistry is felt, not just heard. Every performance, every verse, and every story he shares reminds us why Jake is a standout in heartfelt and soulful music. Everybody, our Influencer of the Year award for heartfelt and soulful songs, Jake Lawrence. Yes, pala ba ng outfit? Picture taking muna and the glass skin. Hello, Jake?
Ayan, of course, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for this award and meron akong message. Ayan. First of all, I want to thank to Lord because without Him, I wouldn't have been blessed with this talent. And of course, behind this event, thank you so much to the management, Mabuhay PH Digital Network, and my road manager, Direk Jag. Ayan, thank you so much, Direk Jag. Thank you sa pagtitiwala sa akin. Siya po yung nagsulat ng aking single na Pagdating sa Dulo, Ngiti sa Aking Luha. Ayan yung kinanta ko po kanina na Lihim. Ayan. Maraming salamat po for this award. Ayan, second award ko na to. Ayan, thank you so much po guys.
Thank you so much and congratulations to Jake Lawrence. Moving forward is another award, which is the Influencer of the Year Award for Celebrity Hair and Makeup Artist. We've got Tony Gutierrez. Tony Gutierrez's talent and creativity have made him a trusted celebrity hair and makeup artist. His transformed looks and on and off camera working with stars like Morissette Amon, Catherine McPhee, and David Foster. From red carpets to everyday makeovers, Tony continues to inspire and set trends. Mabuhay ang tunay na artistang Pilipino!
Alright, tama ka dyan, partner. So, hindi siya. Thank you. Just want to thank Direk Jag and Mabuhay PH for this recognition. Actually, for almost 15 years in the showbiz industry, behind the scenes, ngayon lang po ako nakatanggap ng recognition ng ganito. So, thank you so much. And sa Jammers League, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Partner.
Thank you so much, partner. Talaga naman kanina, nag-ipit ka na naman ng boses mo. O nagbaraya ka na naman. Congratulations! Next up is the Influencer of the Year Award for Media Production. We've got the 702 Media Production. Through Channel 702 live streaming programs and dedicated workshops, 702 Media Production has become a powerhouse in honing the talents of young performers in dancing, singing, acting, and more. Their passion for nurturing creativity and excellence has empowered countless artists to grow with confidence and skill. With a heart for developing rising stars, 702 Media Production continues to inspire and shape the future of the entertainment industry. Once again, Influencer of the Year Award for Media Production, 702 Media Production. Gorgeous. Let's do the picture taking first. Ayun. Ma'am?
First of all po, we'd like to thank, of course, Mabuhay PH Digital Network for this wonderful award. It's really a big honor po to have this award na grabe, parang bibit-bitin po to ng whole team. It's for the whole 702 family, to my students, Jazz, Rumi, And Aisa, congratulations to you. At sa lahat din po ng ating mga fellow awardees, congratulations po sa ating lahat. Thank you so much po to Direct Jag, to Mami Miles, and sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Mabuhay PH Digital Network. Mabuhay po ang mga Pilipino. Ayun po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. I love the outfit. Next up is the Influencer of the Year Award for Music and Inspirational Lifestyle. We've got Candy Arcangel. Candy's journey reminds us that dreams have no deadlines. This year, she embraced her passion for music, sharing heartfelt performances, growing her community, and shining on both TV and digital platforms. With her expressive voice and authentic storytelling, Candy proves it's never too late to pursue your passion. Keep singing, dear. Once again, Candy Arcangel. All right. Now let's move forward to the Standout Influencer Award for Singer and Live Streamer. Everyone, let's give a round of applause to Sushi. Once again, Sushi is our Standout Influencer Award for Singer and Live Streamer. Sushi pala. Iba pala yung sushi. Nag-crave bigla ako eh. Alright, Sushi. Ang pogi naman. Bigyan ka ng medal ni Sir Christopher. First honor ka daw eh. Now, Sushi, any speech that you can give to everyone?
Hindi ako marunong magsalita eh. Thank you for having me here. Of course, I would like to thank first God and Mabuhay PH, especially Direct Jag and Mami Miles, dahil kundi dahil po sa inyo, hindi ako makakarating dito mismo. Ayun lang po. So, thank you. I would like to thanks din po sa mga supporters ko and especially si Dave andito. Thank you. Hindi ko na maisa-isa yung iba. And basta nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga TikTok fans ko and sa friend ko sa TikTok na naging pamilya ko na. Kundi dahil po sa inyo, hindi po ako magpupursige. Yun lang po. Salamat po.
And of course, we will never miss the opportunity having a picture taking with you. Sir Christopher. Smile to the camera. There you go. Congratulations. Next award is the Standout Influencer Award for P-Pop Solo Artist. We've got Kairos. Kairos is a proud member of Jammers League. Is making a strong impact in the P-pop scene with his dynamic performances and unique style. His latest single highlights his passion and talent, helping him stand out as an artist. With a growing fan base, Kairos showed that dedication and creativity are keys to success in today's music industry. Kairos?
So ayun, good evening everyone. I hope you're all doing well. So first of all po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat kay God, syempre. Dahil kung hindi po dahil sa Kanya, wala po ako ngayon dito sa harapan nyo. And also, sa Mabuhay PH and sa Jammers League, especially po kay Direct Jag. Thank you po for always trusting me, believing in me, and I hope na ano ko po yung mga expectation nyo. And also for my family and friends, thank you po for always be there and always supporting me. Yun lamang po. Sana nag-enjoy po ang lahat. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kairos.
Thank you so much, Influencer of the Year Award for live event hosting. Of course, Gabe. Gabe has built a strong reputation this year as a dynamic and professional event host, captivating audiences on and off camera. His energy and genuine connect set him apart. Though not a typical content creator, Gabe's consistent performances at social and corporate events shows his talent and dedication. He inspires aspiring hosts with his passion and resilience. Our Influencer of the Year award for live events hosting, Gabe. Picture, please.
We're done.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Derek. Actually, guys, I informed Derek na siya na lang yung mag-introduce sa akin kasi di ba ako yung awardee, ako pa yung mag-introduce sa akin. But anyways, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you to my Mabuhay PH family. Share ko lang, guys. I started one of my official exposures here in Manila with them. So, sabi nila 13 is not a good number. But with me and Mabuhay PH, I garnered 13 clients, hosting clients after my appearance here. Nakumanta ako ng pam. So I got 13 clients with that video. Then recently, share ko lang guys, it's such a milestone because never ko pa na-experience na magka-TF ng 25 to 30,000 in just one hosting. But since, remember the last time that I hosted an event with you sa Vista Mall Taguig, I actually closed a deal with a hosting project in which like 3 hours lang siya, 3 projects. The range is 20,000, 25,000, and the other is 35,000. And that's a huge thing for me, for my Mabuhay PH family. That's why each and every time na may opportunity talaga ako to give back, especially for my services like in hosting, I'm always open to give back to my Mabuhay PH family. Thank you so much, Direct Jag. And of course, guys, ito pa, ibuboost ko lang since nagsasalita na ako dito. My exposures with Mabuhay PH actually made my portfolio grown so much that I was able to work with brands, celebrities, and influencers at the same time. I hosted the movies under Direct Joel Lamangan and other projects with celebrities because they saw that I've got a lot of exposures, especially mall shows, under Mabuhay PH family. And again, Direct Jag, thank you so much. Ayun. Anyways, since I would like to welcome our next performer to give us another amazing performance. Let's go.
What you gon' do to me? But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my loosen up my buttons, babe. Loosen up my buttons, babe. Won't you loosen up my buttons, babe? Loosen up my buttons, babe. Baby, loosen up my buttons, babe. Loosen up my buttons, babe. Won't you loosen up my buttons, babe? Loosen up my buttons, I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, babe. But you keep frontin', saying what you gon' do to me. But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, babe. But you keep frontin', saying what you gon' do to me. But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, babe. But you keep frontin', saying what you gon' do to me. But I ain't seen nothing. I'm telling you to loosen up my buttons, babe. But you keep frontin', saying what you gon' do to me. But I ain't seen nothing.
There you go! Catrix, everybody, please stay there, ladies. Because you will be receiving your award and at the same time, Rising Influencer Award for P-Pop Girl Group. Oh, a round of applause, please, everyone. Featuring members Sam, Jill, Jan, Aya, and Rai. Catrix continue to shine as one of the most promising young girl groups in today's P-pop scene. With their captivating performances, synchronized choreography, and growing online presence, these talented ladies are proving that they're ready to take their place in the spotlight. This year, Catrix showed passion, discipline, and teamwork, traits that make them stand out as a rising star. Their dedication to inspiring fans, uplifting fellow artists, and representing the next wave of P-pop girl power is truly commendable. Here's to more stages, more music, and more breakthroughs ahead of Catrix. May we request Dr. Jennifer Boles to join me here in front to give the next set of awards to our awardees. Mamaya tatanungin ko si Doktora kung ano yung skincare niya. I love the skin. At dahil first honor kayo, may medals kayo. Yes. Ikaw yung achiever, ikaw yung maraming medals. Yes. Actually, Doc, pwede pa. Pwede pa. Oo. Oo. Hindi pa mahuhuli ang beauty. Oo. Actually, pwede pang manguna eh. Picture taking. Move daw muna tayo doon, dear. A little sideward, please. On the left part. Yan. Thank you so much now. Message?
First and foremost, syempre, pinapagsalamatan po natin si God. At andito na rin po yung Mabuhay PH and Direct Jog.
Also, Ma'am Aqua Rider, and to our management, Red Tiger Multimedia Production.
Sir Luis and Ma'am Joy.
Direct Bong and Direct Mark.
And please follow our social media accounts, Catrix Official.
Once again, we are the Catrix.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much.
Our star of the night, presented to the individual who exceptional talent, radiant energy, and commanding presence truly captivate the audience to find the spirit of the evening. Let's give a round of applause for Kid Yambao.
Yes, Mr. Kid Yambao, congratulations. The star of the night. Again, may we call on Sir Kid Yambao to join us here in front. And Sir Kid, dahil ikaw ang star of the night, may tanong ako. Ano ang sikreto ng mga gwapo?
Wala, magmabait lang. Yung pabango.
Yung pabango lang, bango eh, no?
Pinapapromote ata.
Congratulations on the award.
Thank you for our sponsors, Ginger Bond and Vital One Purified Water.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Now, our outfit of the night, honoring the individual whose impeccable style, creative, and grace set a distinguished standard in fashion for the evening. Congratulations, Maricar Aragon.
Yan. Talaga namang pinag-isipan, pinaghandaan.
Grabe, ang daming mga fans.
Oo.
Again, thank you so much, Ginger Bun and Vital One Purified Water.
Happy lang ako kasi ako personally, I'm
Loren.
a user of Ginger Bond talaga. Yes. Is that your product? Ay, I saw. I thought it's your product. Ah, dito pala. Question, who made your outfit tonight?
I'd like to give a quick shoutout lang po to Mamang Edwin Rosas Visda. Siya po yung nagpadamit sa akin now. Ayun po.
Yes, yes. Kudos! Good job! Congratulations. Now, Derek, meron pa ba tayong other awards?
Anyway, the other award is Face of the Night, awarded to the guest whose poise, confidence, and captivating charisma illuminate the event, embodying elegance and charm. Of course, Queen Yasmin!
Yes! Queen Yasmin is the face of the night. Feeling ko yung nagdala yung headband. Yes, oo. Na parang garden, na makukulay.
Hey!
Esophagus, esophagus. Habang ako'y kumakain. Baka pwede tayo pwede tayo mag-spoken poetry about the face of the night.
Nasabi niya na lahat kanina.
Oo nga eh. Alright. Ay. Ikaw yung valedictorian today. Dalawa yung medal mo. A smile to the camera. There you go. Congratulations. Meron pa po ba, Direk? Do we have another award to give na po? Thank you so much.
Oy! Miss Jen Boles will be giving you a GC of Tres Chic Luxury Original. There you go.
Congratulations.
5,000! Wow!
Pero, eto ang twist, sa gift check, font mo mismo yung nakasulat. Oo. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Queen Yasmin.
Thank you, Queen.
Next up, let's continue with our award giving ceremony. Let's call on here on stage our Influencer of the Year Award for Lifestyle. We've got Ateng Darts Official. Ateng Darts started by sharing simple travel adventures with friends and has grown into one of today's most relatable lifestyle creators. He has built a real community that connects with his everyday stories. With a passion for exploring new places, sharing honest moments, and spreading positivity, Ateng Darts stands out in the lifestyle world. Ateng Darts?
Hi, good evening everyone. So just to share, during the first plan pa lang ni Direk na magkakaroon kami ng awarding and part po ako doon. Sabi niya, ating magkakaroon tayo ng awarding. So that's how it started. So this is my second award. So I just want to thank Direk Jag and Mabuhay PH. So nandiyan din pala si shout out kay Beshi Wap. And si Daniel, lagi ko din pinapanood sino to? Si Dana. Si Dahlia pala. Sorry. My advice to everyone starting at small content creator, be consistent uploading videos and enjoy the moments. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Good evening.
Thank you so much.
Bakit ka nanginginig? Si Dahlia kasi, hindi si Dana, di ba? Next up, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for Mukbang Content. Ito talaga, I'm also a fan. We've got Madam Damin. After a 2-year break, Madam Damin made a strong comeback with a fresh brand, blending quality entertainment and the unique Minas Bate language in her mukbang videos. Her authentic storytelling and love for Filipino food have won many hearts. She continues to grow as an inspiring creator, delighting audiences with her entertaining content. And lalaki siya to na.
Kain ng kain yan. Kaya love na love ko yan.
Ano daw yung masarap na mukbang?
Ayan, maayo na gabi sa ato na tanan, or should I say, good evening everyone. Such an honor na nandito muli ako sa Viva Cafe. Of course, maraming salamat, Mabuhay PH, Direct Jag. Maraming salamat sa oportunidad na to. Isang malaking karangalan na mahanay sa mga sikat na personalidad na nandito ngayong gabi. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan, to all small content creators out there, patuloy lamang po tayo sa ating mga pangarap. Laging tatandaan na kapag tayo ay may pangarap, gawan natin ng paraan. Kumilos ka at pagsikapan mo sapagkat wala nang masasarap pa sa pakiramdam kapag abot kamay mo na ito. And I thank you.
Picture taking muna.
Wala pang picture eh. Nakapagsalita siya.
Saan daw yung masarap na mukbang? Saan daw yung may pinakamasarap na mukbang, sabi ni Doktora? Oh, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng minukbang at sinubo mo na pagkain, anong pinakamasarap? Madam Damin. Alright, next up, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for Talent Management. Everyone, let's give a round of applause to Harley Manalili of Stardom's Multimedia Production.
Woohoo, Harley!
Harley's dedication to discovering, guiding, and elevating rising talents has made a remarkable impact in the creative and entertainment industry. Through Stardom's multimedia production, he continues to empower artists and creators, helping them grow, shine, and reach their full potential. Your leadership and passion for talent development truly shape the future of the industry. Congratulations, Harley. All right, and also Sir Harley will be the one to receive the award for Gabrielle Cando, the Standout Influencer Award.
All right, good evening everyone. Direct Jag, ito na. Hindi kita mahindian, Jag. So, thank you so much sa pagbigay na award nito. But anyway, alam ko most of you hindi ako kilala. So papakilala ko yung sarili ko. I'm Harley Likup Manalili. I manage 3 of the stars of GMA Sparkle, Sandro Mulak, Chanel Agustin, and the newly crowned Mr. Chinatown 2025, Tyron Tan, and Mr. Gabriel Cando who was introduced to me by Direct Jag, who won the Mr. Ginoong Malabon 2025 first runner-up. And he is also an aspiring GMA Sparkle artist. Please support my artists and all the best, Direct. May gagawin pa tayong project with plugging na, no? Free plugging,
Yes.
Kay Madam Rose. Ayan. Congratulations, Mabuhay PH, and continue your works. So, keep supporting si Direct Jag. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Harley. Love
Thank you so much, Sir Harley. Next up, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for Live Performer. We've got Jassy Kalupitan. Jassy proudly represented by Viva Artist Agency and Phil Muda, shines as the lead young Modifa in Modifa at the musical, showcasing her impressive vocals and captivating dance skills. She also collaborates with Mabuhay PH Music, sharing her heartfelt songs with a growing audience, whether on stage or with dance crews like Respawn. Jassy brings energy, passion, and heart to every performance. A true rising star, Jassy inspires young artists to pursue their dreams with confidence and dedication. Keep shining bright, Jassy. Jassy?
Well, first of all, thank you, Lord, for the blessing, pagpapala, pagpapalo at pagtuturo sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Live performer, mahirap siyang gawin kasi minsan pawis, yung time, yung effort. Thank you din sa Mabuhay PH. Marami na ako pinagdaanan sa industry nito. Kahit na nagsisimula pa lang din. Thank you, Lord, kasi sa lahat ng experiences ko, eto, meron tayong award. So, thank you sa lahat po ng sumusuport sa likod natin, Mabuhay PH, supporters, Jassy Bodies, Jassy Squad, Jassy and Friends, Direct Jag, Tita Maya, sa family ko. Maraming salamat po. Yan, patuloy tayo na magpa-perform.
Lovely and ganda, oh. Thank you so much. Next up, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for Live Comedy and Social Commentary. We've got Attorney Ed Chico. Known for his sharp wit, Attorney Ed Chico blends his legal background with comedy, delivering laughs that also makes us think. His social commentary and relatable humor have made him a standout in Philippine comedy, inspiring audiences on stage and online. Mabuhay ang katuwang ng tawa at talino. Once again, the Influencer of the Year Awards for live comedy and social commentary, Attorney Ed Chico. And now, guys, let's have our eyes on the screen as we play a video message.
Good evening, sayang. I would have wanted to be there, kaya lang I'm stuck in Mindoro. Hindi dumating agad yung Roro. So, andito pa ako sa kotse. But let me just thank Mabuhay PH for this honor. Grabe kayo, ha? I never expected this to be honored and recognized by such reputable institution is really something that I would be forever grateful for. So maraming salamat po, mabuhay po kayo. And sana we could do some collaboration one way or another. Sobrang the best kayo. Thank you po. Hindi ko akalain na influencer na pala ako. So thank you so much. Sobrang nakakataba po talaga ng puso.
Thank you so much. At this point in time, let's have the Influencer of the Year Award for Songwriting and Indie Music. Everyone, let's give a round of applause to Christian Tagyam. From joining open mics to releasing 3 heartfelt originals, Klaruhin, Panghabang Buhay at Big Kiss, Christian's growth this year has been truly inspiring. His journey took him from small stages to TV and radio guestings, and even to busking performances where more listeners discovered and loved his music. With his passion for storytelling, sincere artistry, and dedication to uplifting aspiring songwriters, Christian continues to rise as a strong voice in today's indie music scene. Keep shining, Christian.
Okay, so magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. My name is Christian Tagyam. I am an indie singer-songwriter. And of course, una-una sa lahat, thank you Lord for this blessing, for this award. And of course, thank you Mabuhay PH, Direct Jag, thank you so much. Itong award na ito ay hindi lang po para sa akin, kundi itong award na ito ay para rin po sa lahat ng mga kapwa kong indie artists. So sana huwag na huwag po tayong susuko sa ating mga pangarap. And may God bless us all. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Christian. And we believe that you will be singing a song tonight. Oh, and we will miss that opportunity hearing you to sing. So may I have this first and just get it here later? So fine. Everyone, let's give a round of applause to Christian. Let's go.
So hi guys, I will be singing my original song, which is entitled Ako'y Nakalaya Na. Here we go. So, itong song na to ay para sa mga taong nakalaya na at gustong makalaya na. Sana magustuhan nyo guys. Here we go. Ang sakit na dulot mo'y umupa na sa aking selda'y nakalaya na. Dikit matang tinanggap ang lahat na ikaw di ko na makakasama. Na iniwan kong pagkaas na nagdulot ng bighati. Di na muling mararanasan dahil ito na ang huli. Ito ang araw ng aking pagkalaya mula sa selda na kung saan mo ko dinala. Hinding-hindi na muling babalik pa dahil ako'y nakalaya na. Sa wakas ay natanggal sa pagkagapos ng nakaraan noong tayo pang dalawa. Aking tinalikuran ang lahat, kabilang ng ating alaala. Mga pangako mo noon na naglaho na ngayon. Di na muling magkakasama dahil ika'y lumisan na. Ito ang araw ng aking pagkalaya mula sa selda na kung saan mo ko dinala. Hinding-hindi na muling babalik pa dahil ako'y nakalaya na. Sa mga luhang natuyo, sa mga sugat at panlulumo, sa paglipas ng taon, sa wakas ay nakabangon, nakakalas sa pagkakadena. Di naman niniwala ngayon, ituturing ka na lang na isang nakalipas. Ito ang araw ng aking pagkalaya at sa wakas ang pagdurusa ko'y nairaos na. nga ba dahil ako'y nakalaya na? Ito ang araw ng aking pagkalaya mula sa selda na kung saan mo ko dinala. Hindi na muling babalik pa dahil ako'y nakalaya na. Dahil ako'y nakalaya na. Ako'y malaya na. Thank you.
Let's give it up for Kristen, everybody! Ayun. Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations. As we move forward, let's proceed to our next award, and that is the Child Influencer of the Year Award for Musical Theater and Live Performance. And that is Gabrielle Hoyt. From gracing the stage of Dare to Dream, a Disney musical in Guam, USA, to performing live at events and venues like Viva Cafe, Gabrielle continues to shine as one of the most promising young talents of her generation. Her powerful vocals, natural stage presence, and heartfelt passion for performing make her a true standout wherever she goes. Representing Filipino talent internationally, Gabrielle brings pride to our flag as she shares her musical gifts with audiences both here and abroad. At such a young age, she is already proving that dreams have no limits, and her journey is only the beginning. Gabrielle Hoyt?
Everybody, good evening. No, I'm sorry that I can't be here live for I have exams this week, but I just want to say thank you to Direct Jag and my Mabuhay PH family for presenting me this award. I am so grateful for this. And I'm also very appreciative of my Viva Cafe family for always boosting me throughout my performances. And I'm grateful for my parents who have supported me throughout each journey of my life. And lastly, to all of the people who believed in me, I am blessed to have you in my life. God bless you, everyone. Have a good night.
Thank you so much, Gabrielle. We miss you here. Next up will be the Influencer of the Year Award for Fashion Modeling and Professional Hosting. And that is none other than Rodel Carrion Candelaria. From educator to pageant king, runway standout, and sought-after professional host, Rodel Carrion Candelaria continues to inspire with passion, discipline, and heart. Starting his journey in 2017 as a young host and teacher, he has grown into a multi-dimensional talent in hosting, modeling, and pageantry. This year, he earned notable titles such as Ginoong Trippers Pilipinas Universe and Mr. Gay World Philippines 2025 Top 12, further proving his dedication to excellence. Guided by his advocacy, I teach, I help, I inspire. Rodel uses his platforms to uplift others and share purpose through education and performance. Confident on stage and polished in his craft, he inspires dreamers of all ages. A true role model driven by faith, a family, and wholehearted effort. Once again, Influencer of the Year Award for Fashion, Modeling, and Professional Hosting, Rodel Carrion Candelaria. Next up will be our Influencer of the Year Award for Artworks and Design. Everyone, let's have Imahe. So Imahe was the one who, the official videographer. I see. The video editor pala. Okay. At your creative force, Imahe continues to captivate audiences with her stunning artworks, powerful visuals, and meaningful concepts. This year, she showcased her talent in multiple exhibits and creative events, proving that art can inspire, connect, and tell stories that words alone cannot express. Before I hear your message, dear, I would like to have a picture taking with you here. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Jaya, also known as Imaj. I'm an artist, a vocal busker, and an art advocate. I just wanted to thank Mabuhay Philippines, especially Direct Jack. This is my second award. Thank you for acknowledging my artistry and my creativity. Thank you for your heart and for your eyes that you see the potential to every talents and every artist. And above all, I just want to dedicate this opportunity to God. All praises and glory to God. And I hope and pray na sa lahat ng mga influencers na naririto, may you influence good to those who watch your content. May you be an artist, musician, vocalist, businesswoman, or any platform that you are using in influencing. May you do everything you do with love and acknowledge God in everything you do. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That was indeed a speech from the heart. Next up will be the Standout Influencer Award for Studio and Event Production. And that is none other than Dreamlab Studio and Events. Led by Dave Ocampo, Dreamlab has grown into a trusted creative hub of artists, brands, and influencers. From studio shoots to music sessions, content creation, corporate events, and live productions, Dreamlab consistently delivers professional quality that elevates every project. Once again, Dreamlab Studio and Events. Next up, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for OPM Revival and Modern Classics, and that is Rob Daniel. Rob Daniel is one of today's most admired young voices in OPM. Known for heartfelt songwriting, smooth vocals, and a nostalgic sound with hits like Ulap and Baby I Tried, he has captured listeners' hearts from bedroom music making to major stages. Rob inspires aspiring artists with his passion, authenticity, and talent, solidifying his place as a promising singer-songwriter. Next, we have the Influencer of the Year Award for Acting and Music, and that is given to Wilbert Ross. Wilbert Ross shines as a versatile talent in Philippine entertainment, known for his roles in Golden Scenery of Tomorrow and his heartfelt music with Viva Wine. His dedication and connection with fans make him standout influencer. From TV series to his debut album, Aking Musika, Wilbert inspires aspiring artists to follow their passion. Next, we have Robert Season. Robert Season is our Influencer of the Year Award for Photography and Videography. My bossing. Robert has made a mark this year by sharing his expertise in photography and videography, helping others gain confidence in front of camera through his How to Pose content, from captivating travel shoots like Suba Key Chai to high-profile projects such as Volvo Cars filming in Singapore. Robert's creative eye and passion for visual storytelling shine through every frame. His dedication inspires aspiring creatives to capture their best moments with poise and style. Paano ba mag-poser? Anyways, picture taking. Speech?
Salamat kay Direk Jag. Salamat sa opportunity na binigay sa akin kasi bilang DOP, palagi ka nasa likod ng camera. So, ngayon lang yung nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon na nakaharap ako sa camera. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, bossing. Bagong BFF ko yan eh. Next up, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for Event Direction and Hosting. And that goes to Ava Sese. Okay. Ava has made a strong impact this year as an event director and host, bringing passion, discipline, and creativity to every project. From directing Mr. and Miss Eastview Avenue Medical Center to hosting major corporate events, she continues to shine with her leadership and energy. With her signature style, simple but aggressive, Ava inspires others to work hard, stay committed, and keep aiming higher. Her journey reflects growth, grit, and a drive to make every event memorable. Once again, congratulations to Ava CC. Next up, we've got Respond, Standout Influencer Award for Dance Crew. Respond is well known for their dynamic moves and unmatched energy. From captivating audiences at Modifa, the musical official launch, to sharing the spotlight with talents like Jassy Kalupitan, this crew continues to set the bar high in the dance scene. Their passion, teamwork, and creativity make Respond a true force in the world of dance, inspiring fans and fellow performers alike to move with heart and soul. Keep dancing, Respond! Congratulations, picture taking. And for the speech,
maraming salamat po sa Mabuhay PH, sa kay Direk Jag, tapos syempre sa manager namin kay Mami Julie, pati kay Miss Jassy Kalupitan kasi kung tawag dito, kung di kami nagbabackup sa kanya, siguro hindi kami makakamit yung gantong award. Tsaka magandang regalo rin to sa grupo namin kasi 3rd year anniversary ng grupo namin ngayon. So napagandang regalo. Ayun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
thank you so much and congratulations. Next, we've got the Influencer of the Year Award for Pipa Performance and Impact. We've got Raya. Raya continues to captivate audiences with their vibrant performances, catchy music, and powerful presence in the P-pop scene, inspiring fans across the Philippines and beyond. Their energy and passion showcase the strength of Filipino talent in unity, proving that P-pop is here to stay and grow even stronger. Once again, our Influencer of the Year Award for P-pop Performance and Impact, Raya.
Hello po, ako po si Raya Rana.
Raya Jemima.
Raya Sophia. Raya Cash. Raya Anna.
Raya Abel.
Raya Ash. Raya Fiona.
At Mian.
Raya! First of all, we would like to thank Influencers Watch List for granting us the award for Influencer of the Year for P-pop Performance and Impact.
Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa Viva Artist Agency at sa aming team na patuloy na nagtitiwala at naniniwala sa Raya.
Yes. And lastly, we would like to thank our supporters, our race. Thank you so much for supporting us, guys. And sana po ipagpatuloy niyo po ang pagsusuporta sa amin. Thank you so much. Thank you!
The Influencer of the Year Award for P-pop Performance and Impact. We've got Raya. Raya continues to captivate audiences with their vibrant performances, catchy music, and powerful presence in the P-pop scene, inspiring fans across the Philippines and beyond. Their energy and passion showcase the strength of Filipino talent in unity, proving that P-pop is here to stay and grow even stronger. Once again, our Influencer of the Year Award for P-pop Performance and Impact, Raya. Next is the Influencer of the Year Award for TV Youth Talk Show Hosting. We've got James Ramada. As a passionate host of PTV's Schoolmate, James Ramanda inspires the Filipino youth by addressing important topics with honesty, empathy, and insight. His genuine connection with young audiences and dedication to meaningful conversations make him a powerful voice in youth media. James continues to empower the next generation to stay informed, confident, and ready to make a difference. Once again, Influencer of the Year award for TV Youth Talk Show hosting, James Ramada. Now guys, let's proceed to the TV Influencer of the Year for pageantry and modeling, and that is Chelsea Lorraine Davis. Young at heart and crowned multiple times, Chelsea is now competing in the Dayawan Cordillera Model Search at Miss Teen Baguio. She shines with beauty, grace, and purpose, reflecting the bright and confident spirit of today's youth. Beyond the titles, she continues to make her mark in the world of modeling, showcasing poise, charm, and dedication in every step she takes on and off the runway. A true inspiration, Chelsea embodies the modern Filipina teen, empowered, expressive, and ready to conquer the world with confidence. Keep shining, Chelsea! Next up is the Influencer of the Year for pageantry and modeling, and that is for Adiel Davis. The new Mr. International Philippines Tarlac 2025 is Adiel Davis. He will proudly represent Tarlac Province in the upcoming Mr. International Philippines 2026. Adiel continues to rise in the world of modeling and pageantry, showcasing confidence, discipline, and undeniable charm. He recently modeled at Araneta for Fast Zone, SP19, featuring Francis Libiran, proving his versatility and strong presence on the runway. A true king in the making. Keep shining, Adiel. Now guys, let's proceed to the Influencer of the Year for Beauty and Wellness, and that goes to RF3 World Philippines. RF3 World Philippines has been honored as the Influencer of the Year for Beauty and Wellness 2025, recognizing its powerful contribution to promoting holistic health, natural beauty, and overall well-being in the country. With its commitment to innovate formulations, premium botanical ingredients, and a mission to help individuals glow from the inside out, RF3 World Philippines continues to make a meaningful impact in both the beauty and wellness industries. A true leader and advocate for healthier and more radiant living. Now I would like to call on Sir Adrian Stephen to please join me here in front to receive the award. Sir Adrian Stephen is also one of the people that I am looking forward to seeing tonight. Congratulations. So in behalf of them, is there anything that you'd like to say?
Thank you everyone, and on behalf of RF3, I would like to receive this award. Congratulations everyone.
Thank you so much. Next up is the Influencer of the Year for singer and songwriter. Angela de la Cruz Felipe is also known as Bella. Bella began her musical journey in 2018 at her local church in Valenzuela. With the heart of a true servant, she offered her talent to God, a passion that shaped her into a leader, a class president, and a representative during her college years. Gifted with a love for music from a young age, Angela grew into a singer-songwriter with a mission to use her God-given talent to inspire the world. She is an 8th Dangal ng Lahi awardee as the Philippines Outstanding Medical Technologist and Inspiring Singer and Songwriter of the Year. From singing in restaurants to busking across different places in the Philippines, Angela continues to share her voice with purpose, holding onto her dreams of one day reaching audiences around the universe. Behind the song, Oras was born during a theater workshop inspired by her idea for a group presentation. The song serves as a gentle reminder of how we choose to spend our precious time. As a solo artist, her dream is clear: to be recognized worldwide for God's glory. Keep shining your light, Angela. The world is listening. Now let's have I believe our last award for tonight. The Influencer of the Year Award for Acting and Content Creation. We've got Benedict Ramos. Benedict Ramos is an inspiring artist whose creativity and talent continues to captivate audiences. As a content creator and actor, he first showcased his skills on YouTube and later gained wider recognition as an ex-PBB housemate, where he charmed audiences with his authenticity and passion. Today, he continues to grow as an actor and singer while he's still being seen on social media, blending storytelling and entertainment that resonate deeply with his community. From the street to the digital space, Benedict shines with passion and dedication, proving that acting and content creation can be powerful tools to inspire, connect, and uplift people. His journey reflects consistency, artistry, and influence, making him one of today's most dynamic young creators. Once again, Benedict Ramos. Alright, to receive the award, may I request Angela Felipe to receive her award as our Influencer of the Year for singing and songwriting. Hi, Angela! Picture taking. Now, Angela, is there anything that you'd like to say to everyone?
Ayun po. So, nabagin ko lahat ng host ko. And first of all, I thank God for leading me here. And talagang nagpapasalamat ako sa opportunity na binigay ng Mabuhay Digital PH. So, kahit na actually PWD po ako. And nagpapasalamat po ako sobra talaga kay God for giving me this talent to share the world. That kahit na PWD, that I can still sing and do a lot because of Him and all for Him. And yun na po, i-promote ko na din that God is also using me to PWD people like yung mga kabataan for December 14 sa Valenzuela rin. Again, papasalamat ako kay God and I will give this short song na lang po saglit kay God na talagang yung by heart na compose, yung 143 song that when we talagang pag binanggit yung 143, di ba, I love you, and this 140 is from the Bible that ibig sabihin ng Psalm 143 is hear my prayer, oh Lord, listen to my plea, answer me because you are faithful and righteous. Yun po. So, Psalm 140 po. Basahin po natin sa Bible yun. Dito matatagpuan na ang gandang po siya, verse about sa pagmamahal at para malaman ko anong plano ng Diyos para sa atin. Yun po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Angela. I hope whatever prayers you've got in your heart will be realized. God bless you, dear. And now I believe that our next and last awardee is here already. May I call it here in front, the Influencer of the Year awardee for acting and content creation. We've got Benedict Ramos. Let's all give him a round of applause, please. May I request Benedict Ramos, together with Sir Adrian, first honor. Doon muna sa camera din.
Okay, dito lang muna. Okay, thank you.
Now, Benedict, is there anything that you'd like to say to everyone out here?
Sorry, lakas pala. Yes, maraming salamat po sa sa recognition of the Influencers Watches 2025. And sa lahat po ng mga bumubuo ng organisasyon. Thank you so much po. Isang malaking bagay po para sa mga katulad namin na magkaroon ng magandang mga recognition. Kasi ito yung mga dahilan kung bakit kailangan namin magpatuloy at ibigay kung ano yung dapat namin ibigay. Na hindi lang basta-basta nag-i-influence o nagpapakita lang ng sarili namin, kundi ipinapakita yung most authentic self talaga namin para encourage people and inspire people to be their authentic selves as well. At saka hindi na uso yung mananahimik na lang tayo as someone who can influence kasi may boses tayo na anyone can become an influencer and anyone can influence anyone because we have the power and we have the voice, and let's use our voice wisely gaya ng paggamit natin sa ating mga social media or sa lahat ng mga ginagawa natin na plataforma. And ayun, maraming salamat and God bless us all. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Benedict. And please stay there. We would like to call on the rest of the influencers that we've got here and the awardees na nandito po present. Pumunta po kayo dito lahat sa gitna for a group picture taking. Miss Jen Paulus and Mr. Kim Yambao, please join us here. Agad po lahat ng mga awardees natin, all our awardees, we are inviting you all to join us here in front for a picture taking. Once again, I'd like to say thank you to Mabuhay PH for such an amazing recognition for everybody. Direct Jack Mami Mans, maraming salamat po for the trust. And once again, this has been your host Gabe, saying, enjoy the rest of the night, everybody. Thank you so much, and God bless. Good photo. Dito ka, Doc. Si Doc Joy, hindi ko pa natatanong kung ano yung skincare niya eh. Alright, we are, sige, let's invite the rest of our influencers here. Yung iba pa dito sa iyo. Ay, sige bukas ma'am, bibili ako mga 10 agad. Sige, do we have other, ayun. Alright, meron pa ba dyan? Ay, si Sir! Okay. Sige. Asya kami? Ako na ba yung Asya? Ako na yung bababa. Sige na. Let's do the picture taking everyone. Move back! Back pa daw. Move back. Ay, hindi yung photographer natin ni Joby for ano din yung influencer. Sir, baka gusto mo sumali dito ka? Oo. Meron pa. Ito pa yung mga kids natin. Sige. Ayan! Thank you so much. Once again, Mabuhay PH. And congratulations po ulit sa ating mga influencers and awardees.